Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video we are going to make grape candy pops. Quick and easy recipe you can do with the kids, or the kids can do it for you. Mother's Day is coming, and yeah, the kids can get involved in making these stuff for you. Quick and easy, nothing hard into it. So Adriana, are you going to tell them what we're going to do with the grapes? How we're going to be doing the grapes? With the toothpicks. So you need toothpicks for this. You need some decorations for your grape pops. So we have here some white shredded coconuts. We have brown shredded coconuts. We have some sesame seed, and if you guys are allergic to nuts, you guys can, use other stuff that you're not allergic to. We have shredded almonds. We have like the regular almonds. We have some Rice Krispie. We have a little bit of granola cereal there, and this is what we are going to be using. So we're going to be using the butterscotch caramel, and we're going to be using some dark chocolate for our grape pops. So this is how we're going to be doing it. So Adriana has one, which she's using the toothpick to put in, and you just stick it at the bottom of the grape like that, and then it stands up like that. Looks like a lollipop. Yeah, like that. I'm using my dehydrator to just stick them and put the grapes in for them to like kind of stand up like that. So we are going to be finishing this. Yes, and then we're going to melt our chocolate and butterscotch, and then we are going to decorate. No, right?
We're gonna lose, Mama.
Really? So we're just stacking them and then just putting them like this. So you stand. That's funny, Adriana.
Mom, this looks like a bug.
Yes, it does.
Mom, can I eat this one?
Adriana, you've been eating them out. So here, and if the grape is a bit too soft, just change it and just get one that is a little bit harder, so it holds. So the toothpick can hold it. Yeah, because a few of them were soft and I changed them. So this is what we're going to be doing. So we're going to finish this up, and then we're going to melt the caramel and the chocolate, and then get dipping. So see you guys shortly. Okay, now the chocolate is melt. The caramel, I was having a little bit of a long time with it. Sticky, but it didn't melt the way how I wanted it. But we're gonna be working with this. Okay. Alrighty, so let's try Adriana. So get a grape. Okay, so you're gonna dip it in the chocolate. And I'm gonna get the green one, and I'm gonna be trying it with the caramel. Okay. No, I'm not. You're supposed to dip it, baby girl. So dip it. That's the coconut. Right? And then you're gonna be sticking it. Right. And then you're gonna put it in. Are you going to eat it? This one. Okay, so that's how the caramel looks on it. So I'm gonna add some coconut droppings to it. I don't know, the caramel ain't working out that. Oh! Okay, let me do the chocolate. Okay, that's the chocolate.
I like
so almond shredded, some granola, whatever, and then some Rice Krispie. Something of this sort like that. And then we're going to stick it here.
Mom, you let it fall.
So it has to stand up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So another chocolate. Let's swirl it around like that. Alright. And then we're going to roll it. Roll it. And roll it. fun little project you can do with the kids, or you have the kids doing it.
For Mother's Day or
Yeah, for Mother's Day,
for Cousin's
or
Day.
any day, you know, making it fun. Right? Which one do you want? Here, you want another chocolate? Yeah, so caramel is not working out very well for us, so we're skipping on the chocolate. So, some sesame seed here, some coconut shreddings on this one, and that's how it looks. Oh, that looks nice, Adriana. Yeah. So, which one are you using? The Rice Krispies? Okay, I'm gonna roll it. Put it in some Rice Krispies, and you could use sprinkles. We didn't have any sprinkles, so we're just working with what we got for now. Okay, and that's how that one looks.
Mine is really good.
Yeah,
I like this.
and put it in front of you like that. And then you just keep on going until you're finished, and then you get your grape pops.
Candy box.
Grape candy pops. That's what it's called. Oh, where I got this, I went to the LCBO like a while back, and then I had like a book with like, you know, some recipes and stuff, and then I saw this and I'm like, this is a great project you can do with the kids, you know. So here we are doing it. So anything can do, anything. Right, Hannah?
Yeah. Do you like the chocolate?
Swirl it around. Right. And then we just keep on going. We had some. And this is how you get the kids to eat their fruits. A little trickery, right? You have them eating their fruits with toppings. And Adriana is here just like, you know,
Eden.
eat it away.
Mom, try one. Gotta go try one.
I'm gonna try one now. You want me to try one now?
Yeah. It's going to sort of try one.
I can't see Adriana.
Is that better?
Yes, thank you. So you want to tell your viewers? You want to tell them to try some other things?
Hi, you could try for Tiana's birthday and Bob's birthday and everybody's birthday. And Mother's Day.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there when it comes. All the aunties, all the grandmas, all the sisters, the cousins, right? To all the ladies. Happy Mama's Day. Good. Let me try some chili coconut on this one here. Yeah, this is looking good. This one here to kind of spread a little. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And click the button here. The notification bell. Turn on your notification. Yes. Okay, so you gotta help mommy. You're eating. How does it taste? Like really? Adriana, by the time like I finish with all of this, there's no grapes left. that one?
No.
Okay, decorate it and put it here. So I can get it out the down. Right. So we need something for them to see when it's finished, right?
Mom, save something for Adrian and I.
We are, but you're constantly munching on it, like.
Unless this bigger.
Oh, that's nice. This is the one Adriana made. Yes, girl.
I made by myself.
Yeah, you did.
I'm a big girl. Mom, I got a great idea.
What's that?
Mom, we have our neighbors to help us. My neighbors.
Another time.
Oh yeah, another time if they come over.
Yeah, we can use another fun project.
Yeah, with them. But if I can't make all the noise, because a lot of the heavy.
Oh, you say me nice?
I can't make all the noise.
Yeah. So this is how it looking, you guys. This is how it looking. It's coming along. Takes a little time.
Mom, look at this.
Nice. And guys, you can surprise your mom with this, your auntie with this. Anyone.
The sister, the cousin of
Up and cousin.
Yum, yum.
Yum. Let me get some over here. Stop eating them out, Adriana.
A lot. But do you like to mine? Is these two
I
mine?
just put it there because I want to decorate.
Well, you said decorate that one with the same. Mom, I got a good idea. If I put some decoration, I can stick this.
Can I get this one? Thank you.
Mom, I can pick a different one.
Yeah, you're gonna do it, but you're gonna put it on
Tray.
the tray. Yeah.
And then
This is how you do it. Just keep on doing that until you are finished. Just like that.
Mom, just stick that.
Careful, you don't mess up this stuff here,
They look so juicy to me.
okay, you're gonna stick them on the tray.
They look so juicy.
On the tray.
Okay,
So what else are you gonna do for your mom for Mother's Day? You gonna make her breakfast?
yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna make her a cake. A special cake.
Oh wow.
And some fruit candy. I'm gonna make her for his sister.
You're gonna make it with your sister?
What is my other sister's name again?
Trisha.
Okay, what's my second sister's name?
Yeah.
No, the other sister.
What other sister? That's the only two sisters I know of. Really now, Nana?
I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna eat it. But what happened? It got stuck. And mine got
That is good.
what? Did you taste it?
I did.
I was gonna say.
It tastes good.
And what did the chocolate say?
Says, eat me, I am yummy.
Disgusting.
Yeah, stick it in the star. Good job. Good job. Even though it came all the way up. Uh-oh. What happened, Adriana? That's funny. So I just stick a little styrofoam plate underneath the tray so it can stand up. Right? Excuse me, Adriana.
But just like that. So,
So we'll be back.
Yeah. That
To finish this up before Adrianna, we're gonna like,
I'm gonna eat all off. Is this mine?
no, eat that one.
Mine. Oh.
Ready? Let's cheers. Great pop. Make sure the grapes are not sour. Not bad. Right? Really good, really good. You want to share with your neighbor?
Let's go.
Probably later. Or you could share with your brothers when they come back. Right? You gotta call it sweet, but these are really good. Let me try the green one.
Stop eating them out.
And you were eating them out.
I'm not gonna get them out.
They're good. They're real good, you guys. Try these. They're really good. What are you thinking there, young lady? Okay, so we're finished our grape pop, and this is how it looks. Quick and easy recipe. You guys can do again with the kids, or the kids can do it for your mama. So kids will do this for your mom, grandma, your auntie, whoever it is. Right, Adrianna?
Yeah.
Right. So thanks again, you guys, for watching our video. But yeah, here we go. So these are candy grape pops, right? Quick and easy that you can make with the kids, or the kids can make it for you because you're older and stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in another video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
Say, see you later. Walla be ya.
I put
And what? And she said, click the notification bell. Okay, you're gonna tell them that? Bye. See ya.